For the hip, the areas that generally get stuck are the areas underneath the iliac crest and around the greater trochanter. So what we're going to do is, particularly for the bits that are underneath the iliac crest, that this bony bit up here, is we're going to use a sticky roller. This one again has lots of lumps and bumps on it, so it sinks into the tissue quite nicely. And again, similar to the quad setup, we're going to go and set the roller up on the angle here. It doesn't need to be terribly steep. And then I'm going to lay on the roller. So again, just a reminder, don't go on the bone, just in the soft tissue bit. And for this area at the front of the hip, I've got the foam block at the front, and the roller is angled off to the back. And then I am sliding, so the roller is holding the glute muscles just underneath the hip, while my body slides back down slowly, so you might not see it on camera, but just ever so slightly. And what that's doing is holding the soft tissue in place as the bones or the body slides this way. And so from that, then we're getting that shearing effect from the soft tissue and the bones underneath. This can be pretty tender through the glutes. For a lot of people is an area where we hold lots of stress. So use your judgment as to how much pressure you put through here. And just for this one, all you need to do is breathe. Let gravity do all the work. Then, to do the muscles closer to the sacrum, we're going to do a similar setup but backwards. So, setup is like so, and then we're going to work the muscles at the back, closer to the sacrum, same sort of thing, just with a different angle, different pull. Just got to find the right little angle. And again, same sort of thing, laying on the roller, letting the tissue sink into the roller grabs onto that, holds it in place, and then the body slides ever so slowly down and kind of tears the tissue off the bone. So just sinking in, breathing, and waiting.